are my fantasy themed soaps. And, oh, well, that's not bad. Ombre is not perfect. I knew it wasn't. Plus, when you start putting embeds in, things get a little wonky. My dragon's tail bent a little. But that's cool. It's supposed to be a dragon flying back to her nest where she has an egg that's getting ready to hatch. I like it. I added jojoba beads into the white soap dough and then rolled out eggs to give the eggs that speckled. I don't know if you can see that. See how they're all speckled? That's pretty cool. I like it. I added ground vanilla. I don't know if you can see on top to kind of give it a little bit of a branch look. I think that turned out cute. Let's check down here. Oh, so far no air gaps. Woohoo! And putting the stars in was fun. I was trying to get them all like very well placed all around. We got some bunches here and there, but that's okay. Ah, okay, I'm good with this one. So I've got 3 out of the 5 blind date with a soap book soaps made. Oh, tiny little hole there. So we have the fantasy. I have the steampunk, which this one was very challenging, but I think it evokes the feel of the whole steampunk vibe. And then my murder mystery, murder mystery, though not all mystery has to be murder. This one most definitely was. I'm really happy with that. So I think I have so far 3 cool soaps. I am doing romance and western today, so stay tuned. Oh, I'm really happy.